G'day, I'm Jason Hodges, and in the next 60 seconds, I'm going to give you 4 tips that are going to set you and your garden up for a beautiful summer. Follow these 3 simple steps for a perfect lawn. Step 1, give your lawn a buzz cut. Step 2, you want to scarify the lawn. That'll get rid of the tired grass and cut the thatch up. And finally, you want some food and a good drink. Tip pruning is exactly what it sounds like. It's giving the plant a light haircut. Everywhere you cut it, you'll get 2 or 3 branches and a nice thick hedge. Now's the time to work on your bigger trees before they really burst to life with some hard pruning. This RYOBI cultivator is going to aerate and regenerate your soil, making it perfect for spring planting. Getting your garden ready for spring doesn't have to be back-breaking, using quality RYOBI tools and a few of my tips and tricks. For more info, click below.